Hi students, welcome back. In our previous section, we discussed about the atoms and molecules. Atom is the smallest particle which shows all the characteristic properties of an element. And about molecules, molecules are the smallest particle which can exist independently. And also we discussed about how to represent the atoms and molecules. H2 represent a hydrogen molecule and how many hydrogen atom? Yes, 2 hydrogen atoms. 1 hydrogen molecule and 2 hydrogen atom. Next is Hg, helium. How many atoms and molecules are represented by Hg? Yes, 1 molecule of helium and also 1 helium atom. And about P4, phosphorus. What about P4? Yes, how many atoms and molecules are there? Yes, 1 phosphorus molecule and 4 phosphorus atoms are present here. According to the molecules present, we can classify molecules into 3: monoatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, and polyatomic molecules. Molecules with only one atom are called monoatomic molecules. Helium, neon, etc. are the examples. Molecules with 2 atoms each are called diatomic molecules. Example: hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. And about polyatomic, molecules with more than 2 atoms are called polyatomic molecules. Sulfur, phosphorus, etc. are example for polyatomic molecules. In monoatomic molecules, the number given on the left side of the symbol indicates the number of molecules and atoms. In polyatomic molecule, the subscript on the right side of the symbol indicates the number of atoms within one molecule. The total number of molecules is indicated on the left side. Then how many molecules and atoms are present in this S8? Yes, here 8 shows the number of atoms in one molecule of sulfur. And about 2s8, number of molecules here is 2. And what about the number of atoms? 8? No. Because here 8 shows the number of atoms in one molecule of sulfur. So in 2 molecule of sulfur, the number of atom is 8 into 2, that is 16. And about 2n2. How many nitrogen molecules are here? Yes, 2. And what about the nitrogen atoms? Number of atoms present in one nitrogen molecule is 2. Therefore, number of atoms present in 2 nitrogen molecule is 2 into 2, that means 4. What about the next question, 6Cl2? Yes, here the number of molecule is 6. And number of atoms present is? Yes, in one molecule of chlorine, the number of atoms present is 2. And what about the 6 chlorine molecule? Yes, 6 into 2, that is 12. Now you know that how molecules are formed from the same type of atoms. Billions of English words are formed from the letters of the English alphabet. Similarly, the compounds contain molecules formed from the atoms of different elements. Carbon dioxide is a compound. Carbon dioxide is formed when carbon burns in oxygen, and it is also formed by the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Whatever be the source of a compound, a fixed ratio is mentioned between the atoms of the different elements present in it. In carbon dioxide molecule, the ratio of carbon atoms to oxygen atom is always 1:2. Thus, carbon dioxide molecule can be represented as CO2. This type of representation is known as the chemical formula of the compound. There is an activity for you. Write the number of molecules and the total number of atoms present in the substance given in the table 4.7 of page number 56 of your textbook. So students, let's summarize our today's session. Today we discussed about the representation of molecules and atoms and also about the chemical formula. Thank you.